Hi, Michael Maynard here at the end of a very long week. It's Friday afternoon. I'm about to set ready for my weekend. For those who don't know me, I am an author and business consultant from the UK. You may have seen me on Europe's largest stage doing the business show that happens twice a year. And I've just been on holiday in Greece. I've just come back and I just thought, getting back to work. But I had this idea and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Last year I did a workshop in Atlanta and it was around people starting their business, and I thought actually why not do the same thing in Greece. So Greece, Athens, I'm coming to you on the 22nd of June. It's going to be a free workshop because I love to offer free content so you can come along and enjoy and bring your amazing business idea and let me help you get off the ground. There'll be opportunities for people who want to take it further and go into mentoring. But one of the things that I really want to do, which I think always goes down quite well, especially for you guys, is that I'm going to offer for free people who come with an amazing idea, I'm going to offer free mentoring over 3 months. So that means over 3 months you get my mentorship for free. That's probably worth, I don't know, a couple of grand really. So that's going to be my offer to you. You'll see the details that will be on the screen, so just click. I look forward to seeing you on the 22nd of June. Just in case you don't know who I am, Google it, you'll see I'm a business mentor. I've helped hundreds if not thousands of people just like you get into business. So if you're sitting there with an amazing idea, you're thinking, I can never do it, you can.
For us, it just set us on a path that we have now taken up. We've been working for the last 3 or 4 months and put it in place, and it's made a really big difference for us.
I think one of the things I've certainly taken away is to have a structured plan.
During my work in the NHS, I have been fortunate enough to meet Michael and mentors. Therefore, what I discovered is that my passion for opening my own business, and also to make sure that my business is something that I'm really passionate about.
Click on the link below. I'll see you on the 22nd. Athens, here I come. Bye bye.